Have you ever dreamed of making money from your creativity, but thought it was out of reach? What if I told you there's a way to earn up to $300 a day by harnessing a groundbreaking technology that requires no traditional artistic skills? And here's the kicker. I'll be sharing a secret tip at the end of this video that could skyrocket your earnings. So, make sure you stick around. And for those of you watching till the end, I have a unique, actionable insight that will truly transform your approach to this venture. What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt, because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Welcome, everyone. Today we're demystifying the process of making money with AI-generated art. This video is designed for you, especially if you're a beginner, or if English is your second language. We're breaking everything down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So let's dive in and turn your creativity into cash, shall we? First up, what is AI-generated art? In simple terms, it's art created with the help of artificial intelligence. You provide a description, and the AI brings your vision to life. This technology opens up a world of income possibilities without needing you to be a skilled artist. Our tool of choice? DALL-E 2. It's an AI that transforms your words into artworks. And the best part? It's legal and ethical to use for commercial purposes. But remember, respecting copyright laws is crucial when creating your descriptions. Understanding what sells is your first step. Dive into marketplaces like Etsy to see what's trending. Next, let's create your first piece with DALL-E 2. It's as simple as signing up and entering your art concept. But how do you go from digital files to making money? Enter print-on-demand services. This way, you can sell your art on physical products like posters or mugs without worrying about inventory. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me and might even mean the world to someone else. To truly succeed, consider scaling your efforts by exploring various art themes and using multiple accounts for more creations. Quality and uniqueness are your best friends here. Let's walk through the process from start to sale. After creating your art, list it online. Platforms like Etsy are great for this. But selling isn't just about listing. Your art needs to stand out. Focus on creating high-quality, unique pieces. Know your audience. Who are they? What do they love? Answering these questions will help you target your creations effectively. And don't forget about marketing. A little SEO can go a long way in getting your art in front of the right eyes. A word of caution: avoid overproducing. Test the waters first to see what resonates with your audience. And always ensure your descriptions are original to avoid copyright issues. If you enjoyed this video, then you won't want to miss any of our upcoming content. Smash that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we're on a quest to discover the internet's wealth. Don't miss out, subscribe now, and let's grow together. Before we wrap up, let's recap. We've explored AI-generated art, discussed monetization pathways, and covered practical steps to get your art selling. Remember, the focus is on creating unique, high-quality pieces that connect with your audience. And now, for that transformative tip, dive into niche themes with passionate communities. These areas often have higher engagement and can make your art more desirable and valuable. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now. Android and iOS links in the description. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. It's time to unleash your creativity with AI and start your journey to effortless earnings. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.